Do you like her new jogging suit? Because you're fat. Do you want to play with toys? Can you speak? Okay. There's your new toys. Do you love it? You'll look pretty good in your jogging suit, Payne. I can't see your face. Where's your face? Penny? Do you love a new toy? Do you love it? What about your jogging suit? Do you love it? Because you're fat from your roids. That's why you need to work out. Get your toy. Let me see from the back. Are you pretty mad? Pen, where's your toys? Get them. Penny, I'm gonna get your toys. Are you so mad you're in your jogging suit?